I like to keep my business plans in a roadmap so that I can keep a view of the different parts of our business and where each of them are supposed to be going. We'll look at the roadmap I've done for our Vantrasara business in Front Office Box. We have three different business lines, each of which are quite complicated. And as with all business planning, our plans are full of questions rather than answers. And so I start off with the roadmap and with milestones. And so these are particularly large chunks of project that we need to get done. And at the top here we've got changing the Avantrasara website to reflect our activities in FP7 exploitation. In these other milestones, we've got things I want to do with the Front Office Box site, some decisions we've got coming up from the EU, and other things we want to do with our business, including my surviving sales management book that I'm writing. So having selected a milestone for the Avantra site for exploitation, I then went to the site and reviewed it. Picked out a number of things that needed to be done to it, and so I've made an action in each of these for the job that needs to be done. For example, I wanted to add the FP7 exploitation notes to our home page and make sure the page is SEO'd. Now, I'm able to assign each action to an individual, but in this case, they're all down to me. And I'm due to set a date for it, so we have a date for the milestone and we have dates for individual actions. Now, those individual actions show up in our schedule. And so if we look at my dashboard, we can see all the emails I've forwarded here to make sure I don't forget them, to do whatever needs doing. We've got some overdue actions which I really need to get fixed, but I've been on holiday. And in here, we have all of those actions related to the Avantra site modifications and the other actions related to the other milestones in the roadmap. When I've completed these, I can set the action to complete from the dashboard. So once I've completed these tasks, I can set them to complete here. And then I can go back and review the roadmap. And find those completed actions completed in my planning list. When I've completed the whole milestone, which I haven't in this case of course, I can set that to complete too. And when I want to see what other people in the business are doing, I can go to the dashboard and check schedules for the whole business or any individual.